A super typhoon Rammasun has made landfall in South China's Guangxi Zhuang autonomous region early this morning. With gales of up to 48 meters per second, China's meteorological authority continued issuing its top-level red alert for Rammasun today as downpours and gales sweep southern coastal provinces. Rammasun is the 9th typhoon this year and believed to be the strongest one to hit China in 41 years. It previously landed in the Hainan and Guangdong provinces, taking down trees, flooding roads and killing at least one person. The typhoon is expected to move 20 kilometers per hour northwest and run through the southern parts of Guangxi before it starts to weaken.